Linisin mo yan.
Let me try.
Sige. Gusto mo, sige, ikaw na lang gumawa.
It looks like we're making a cake.
Ayusin mo. Sa inyo mga my friend at welcome back sa akin channel.
Thumbs up of the video, guys.
For today's video mga my friend, gagawa ako ng dalgona coffee. Ayan, agoy. Yung saon ka nilang paghimo, di matakabaw. Napay nagsinamok diri atot bataan. Ay, sinamok ayo. Ayan, ang kailangan natin ay sugar. Ayan. Hindi ito lahat ilagay ha. At saka coffee. Wala kaming Nescafe coffee kaya Maxwell yung gagamitin ko. And then meron tayo dito maligamgam na tubig, 2 kutsara. At saka meron tayong carnation
And some sugar and some coffee maker.
So mana siya eh. Wait lang. Ayan carnation para ilagay na
Chocolate powder.
Meron tayong hot chocolate dito na powder para pagkatapos ilagay natin on the top. Okay?
Yeah.
Ayan, mag-umpisa na tayo mga my friend. Mano-mano lang to dahil wala kaming mixer.
Let's get
Ano ba yan? Ayan, ilagay ko lang dito. Ilagay ko dito. Yung water.
Excuse me.
Uy, yung saon ka niro. Di kita kabawaan eh. 2 sugar.
Good.
Saan ba pa ako eh?
Oh, can I pour it? Can I pour it? Please.
Ayan.
I want to pour it. Come on.
2 kutsara din na
There you go.
coffee. Agoy, kadagko kay sa coffee. Oy.
1. That looks bad. That looks so bad. Doing what?
Ayan. Ay, dagdagan mo natin konti.
Oh my god.
Ayan. Ayan, imimix na natin to hanggang sa ano ba yan? Hanggang sa matunaw mga my friend. Ala. Ayan siya mga my friend. Mano-mano lang to. Dahan-dahan lang. Uyog-uyog, oy. Tagal-tagal dito mga may sakit yung braso natin. Oh, nagbabubbles na siya. Ayan.
I'm making soup. I'm here. Can I stir?
Naagi sa mukan bata adyo
Can I
magbinuang.
stir?
Wala kaming mixi. Meron kasi wala kaming kuryente dito. Walang pambayad kuryente. Kaya mano-mano lang. Ayan, malapit na mga my friend.
I'll make more. Make more. I did not have to put everything. Doesn't matter.
Kailangan mo talaga magtsaga dito mga my friend. Kaya kung hindi, walang tsaga. Dako kayo ang among mixer. Dako kayo wajay gamay. Sinamok bata eh. Ayan malapit na siya bubble mga my friend.
That's what happens when you
Kailangan
move around in bed.
Kailangan magtsaga para lumapot. Uy, nakapoy eh.
Food mix.
Kailan kayo matapos ngayon?
Okay.
Ayan, lapit na mga my friend.
Just
Look, it's red. What happened to my friend?
Ayan, wala pa. Tagal-tagalin mo yan.
Give me a try.
Sige. Gusto mo, sige, ikaw na lang gumawa.
It looks like we're making a cake.
Ayusin mo.
Wow.
Ayan, kukuha na ako ng ano, kasi malapit na. Dali, pakita mo na.
What's wrong with you?
Ayan, malapit na siya mga may friend. Ayan. Oy.
How come Papa's not stopping me?
Ano?
I'm stopping him.
Kuha na tayo ng milk.
The boss is
It looks like slime for reason. It looks like slime.
like you.
It almost looks like slime because you need activator and sparkle. Because this is not slime. You need activator and
Activator.
activator.
Dako kayong baso. Dako kayong baso. Ayan, lagyan natin ng
Oh yeah.
ice.
Ice and milk.
Baby tree. Hindi, para malamig.
Can I touch it?
Ayan.
Yeah.
Saka yung milk natin.
Looks like coconut.
It looks like coconut juice, everybody.
Nah, not at all.
For the all-timer.
Wow.
That looks like coffee. Oh my god. Ooh. I've never tried that coffee before. It looks good.
Yeah, because coffee's not for kids.
Can I taste it like a little bit? Can I taste it like a little bit?
Little and done.
Put cherry on top.
Tsaka,
Whee!
magyan natin na.
Can I put it?
Wait lang, wait.
Can I put it, please? Can I put it?
Are you supposed to mix that?
That's
I did not do it.
Wow, okay, lagyan mo konti. Konti lang. Konti, ganun lang eh.
Okay.
Ayan. Oh, that's it, that's it.
We need a straw.
Ayan, mga may friends.
Now it's time to put the straw. Looks like... Oh! Wow, looks like marshmallow.
Ayan, itatry na natin.
Why don't you try the milk?
Ayan, na yung ating dalgona coffee mga my friend. Ihalo natin muna.
Yum.
Wow.
That's so yummy. Look at the milk.
Grabe yung straw. Hasta pagkataas sa straw. Bumali. Hasta ang taas sa straw.
I'm gonna drink.
Sige, wait lang. Putulin natin. Try natin to. Parang ano to siya eh. Ayan. Okay, try it. Sarap. Ang sarap mga my friend.
Yeah, you're so small.
Try mo kuya. Try mo na.
Then,
Oh, halika na. Ayan o. Ano ninyo?
Then you got
tastes good.
Ang sarap mga my friend. Ang sarap. Ay, mga sarap. Mark dyan. Para siyang ano yung sa ano. Bilis. Oh, here. Try mo dito. Ano oh.
okay.
Good.